let's draw the cone. Then the first scoop, the second scoop, third scoop, and the fourth scoop. Yum yum yum. Do you know that ice cream has been around for a long time? Yes, with its origins dating all the way back to ancient China, where it was made using a mixture of milk, rice, and snow. Can you imagine making ice cream with snow? There's no way. Over time, ice cream became a popular treat in many cultures around the world. But it's not yet over. Let's put flavor in our ice cream by coloring it. What flavor of ice cream do you like? Me, it's strawberry. I will color in pink. I also love mango, so I will color it yellow. I love purple yam. Let's color it purple. Let's just put another scoop of strawberry and mango flavor.
Sort of feel like asking and enjoy the slide on the boardwalk by the seaside. Serve it in like a skin, yeah. Enjoy the tide. A rainbow of colors, a sugary blend. Sort of feel like asking and enjoy the slide on the boardwalk by the seaside.
Looking good, right? We now have a yummy ice cream. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me. See you in my next video.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.